Serious?
Oh shit.
All up in the refrigerator. 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 All up in the refrigerator.
Got some cheese, get out of bed and go make me a sandwich, please. I got some leftovers, but you can have them though. Wait. Where are my leftovers? Did you take my leftovers?
There'll be plenty more.
Got some chili, but eat too much, it's bad for your belly. Let's make some bootleg nachos with tortilla dough. We open up the joy.
We got some mangoes. All up in the refrigerator. 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 Got some cottage cheese. Gotta make sure it ain't between her knees. Got some sour worms. Girl, you got some good time for a perm. We got some PB&J. I'm calling fat. I will hey. Got a jug of milk. We finna cook it down. Goop. Up in the refrigerator. All 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 up in the refrigerator.
Shout out to
our inspiration, Delano TV.
You know. Shout out to
Mom for having groceries to do this video.
Thank you. Amen. Oh, shout out to China Gate for having these leftovers in my fridge.
Bagels.
You know, strawberry cream cheese spread.
Shout out to the other items in this refrigerator we didn't even name.
For real. Y'all drink Cuban coffee?
All up in the refrigerator. 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 Pass the sour worm.
Alright, deuces. Cut.
All up in the refrigerator. 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 All up in the refrigerator.
Yes. Got some cheese. Get out of bed and go make me a sandwich, please. I got some leftovers.
All up in the refrigerator. All up in the refrigerator. Got some cottage cheese. Get out of bed and go make me a sandwich, please. Got some sour worms. Girl, you got new growth. Time for a perm. Ooh, I keep messing up. Started from my part. Just started from my part.
Bounce that ass up and down, bounce that ass up and down, bounce that ass up and down, bounce that ass up and down. One more again. Bounce that ass up and down, bounce that ass up and down, bounce that ass up and down, bounce that ass up and down.